Finding something that works and makes you money. I cannot believe I have this and I want to share it and I want to help out other people because with our very first live notary workshop, so excited because it went so good. So many questions were answered. It was just amazing and we were able to share each other's contact information. So now I have like other people networking with other people, and it's just all coming together and it feels really good to be able to help out a lot of you guys. And so I did decide to open up another one in 2 weeks. So I'll be doing one at the end of the month, another live notary workshop. I feel like this is genuinely going to help out so many of you guys because a lot of you just need a little bit of a boost, a little bit of hands-on training, and you're good to go. A lot of you have everything you need. You have all of the basics. You just need a little bit of confidence, and that's it. So I will be doing more of these. And again, I have like my personal one-on-ones. So in case you need like just that one-on-one practice with someone, we have that. But as a group, it was amazing. People just bouncing ideas off of each other. We were answering questions. There was people had the same questions, or to get more into that question, I have this one. It was awesome, and I truly appreciate every single one of you that was able to make it and who trust in me to be able to teach you to do this work, because it is really easy, and I would love nothing more than for you to enjoy having a business of your own that is successful, that works. I've been an entrepreneur for a very long time, and I have been a working entrepreneur and just a full-time entrepreneur. And either way, working or not, having money coming in or just fully depending on your business, it is hard. It is not easy to find something that works and that actually makes you money. Finding something that works and makes you money. I cannot believe I have this and I want to share it and I want to help out other people, because for a lot of you, you're close, but you're missing a little something. And so, yeah, I'm doing another one in 2 weeks. I'll have it linked for you guys. But for now, I'm going to give you a little snippet of our live notary workshop, and hopefully you guys find it helpful. And if you also need the help and you're like, hey, I am done trying to do this on my own, I'm done being scared, I'm done just not being confident enough to do this, join the workshop. And it is a very small group. There's not going to be more than 10 of us. It's less. So it's not like you're going to be in like a 30 classroom, student classroom. Like, no, nothing like that. You will get your money's worth. Well worth it. Someone mentioned in the class that there was an estate planning course going for $247. I still can't comprehend. I cannot comprehend how people are charging that much to train other people to do the same work that they're doing. Make it make sense for me, guys, because it doesn't make sense to me. And you have to be careful and watch out for vultures that are out here just trying to sell you expensive courses that are teaching you your notary basics. Basically, if there's anything that you need to learn, it's learn how to market. And I don't think that a $200 and something course, or even more expensive than that, is going to help you. Marketing, it's not like just take this course and like you're good. It takes a lot of trial and error. And like I mentioned in the workshop, I have to be willing to lose money in order to make money, because scared money doesn't make money. And in this business, I'm not saying that so that you can go out and purchase all sorts of courses and programs and stuff. I think that some are helpful. I think that some are overpriced. I think that people are taking advantage of innocent people in a lot of circumstances. And like, this isn't rocket science. We're not becoming doctors. We're not becoming lawyers. We're a third party impartial witness. Okay? and you should not be paying so much money to learn how to do the job of a notary. So yeah, that's crazy, but you will definitely get your money's worth here. If I could do everything for free, you guys, I would, but I cannot do everything for free. And even this, believe me, I wanted to charge like $5. I was like, I'm just gonna do $5 a seat. My fiance goes, Avi, you do all of this other stuff for free. Like, charge something. You know, it's not like you're just gonna sit there and answer questions. You're like actually showing people, mentoring them how to do this. So charge something. I'm like, fine, I'll charge a little something. But yeah, for me, if I could do everything for free, I would. I really would, but I'd be, my fiance would be super upset. Like, oh my gosh, like, I'm just over here trying to give and give and give, right? I'm like, oh, el trabajo no importa. No, los biles no importan, ¿verdad? But anywho, hopefully you enjoy this snippet of our call, and I hope that for the next one, you're able to join if you need the help. If you need it, I'm here for you guys. And everyone that joined now has access to me. They have my phone number. If they need help when they're about to go do an appointment or they got a call, they don't know, they're like nervous what to do next. Now they have my phone number. They're able to contact me and I can help them. So it can be like a continuous mentorship and not just like one time. That's just me and who I am. And there are people that are charging you guys hundreds of dollars a month for this type of mentorship. It's on you guys how much you're willing to give in order to learn. But I think that the one thing you have to give up in order to learn and make money as a notary is la vergüenza. You cannot be embarrassed or ashamed, shy, timid to do this. You have to be confident and you have to talk to people. You do. I don't think any amount of money can show you how to do that. I think that comes from practice. And I would love to help you out with that without charging you so much freaking money. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this snippet, guys. Yeah, whatever works for now. I'm like, we don't need the brand new stuff right now. Let's just manage to get through the first year of business. And then
I probably should ask you that. What do you recommend for a startup laptop? And I'm only asking this because all I've had are Apple products. And of course I will have my Apple, but I'm just saying as a startup, because maybe somebody else has that question.
Yeah.
Or want to know.
And then I think like with obviously like Apple products, they're very, they have their own thing. So I know even with like finding printers that work out with Apple product, it's like hard. This one that I have, I think this one is called the Microsoft, I'm going to type it in, Surface Laptop Go. And the Go one is super light. Like, it does not weigh a thing. I'm using it right now. It's like, it's small. Not super small, but it's not like outrageously big. Lightweight. Battery works. Like, it lasts long. I love it. So it's the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go. Yeah, that's a good one for me. I've had this one for a long time now. I love it.
Okay. And I think that was the only other questions that I had. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. I just see other questions here. It says, okay, with that attorney, what did you do with the original forms after you scanned them? Did you give it to them or shred the documents? No, I shred the documents. I don't want to keep anything. Like, once he let me know, I don't need the originals. I just need you to scan it to me and that'll be enough. Okay. And I did let him know, are you sure I do not need to send you these. I am going to shred them. No, I don't. Go ahead and shred them. Okay. Because at the end of the day, like, it doesn't matter where you are, right? Whether you're at home or in your office, you don't want to keep this personal information with you. So I don't store it anywhere. I don't, especially like right here, like we get, you know, cleaners to come in. So if I don't know anyone else's intentions. If I were to leave it in my drawer, wherever it is, maybe they see like, you know, my files. I don't want to have client files and then I don't know, just any information that I do not need to keep, I'm not keeping. So I did let him know I'm about to shred this if you don't need them. I watched something about thumbprinting. When is that needed and where would the thumbprint go? So thumbprints, I have a general rule for it, which is everyone. I get everyone's thumbprint. In California, I know I have a list somewhere. I don't have it on me because I just take for everyone. I take their thumbprint. But for California, I think it's supposed to be like our real estate documents. Why that blurred out. But, oh, maybe here you could see. These are the thumbprints on your journal. And it's the right hand side. So for me, I just take the thumbprint for everything because I don't want to go through like, do I need it for this stuff? So I hope you guys enjoy the video and I'll talk to you very, very soon. I have so much to catch up on, videos to catch up on for you guys. But I'm looking forward to it and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye!